Hi everybody and welcome to a short AI news page here on our MuseMachine YouTube channel. And today we are going to make a small announcement because ComfyUI just released something that is, I think, of general interest for anybody of you who is unfortunately GPU poor. The thing is that ComfyUI can be executed locally on your machine, and for example on my machine it works quite decently with Stable Diffusion or with the Quen model or the VAN video models because I have a NVIDIA 4090. Now for those of you who are not so fortunate having a GPU, they can use, for example, a cloud instance where you can run up ComfyUI for yourself and setting up everything so that you can run on a cloud machine. The costs vary a little bit, and we will also show you in the future how to do this in a very personalized and also encapsulated way. However, the local thing is a very cool thing if you want to be very secure and without any attachments to a cloud. However, if you are not so confident, let's say, with setting up ComfyUI for yourself in the cloud and you do not have the local power, ComfyUI released something that is very helpful, and this is their own public beta program. And sit back because today we'll just take a quick first look into the public beta program. So you just need your browser. So turn up your browser and let's go. So here on the ComfyUI webpage, comfyui.org/cloud, we can simply join now the public beta now. And for this, we simply click here on the launch Comfy Cloud. We go to cloud.comfy.org. It just said that it's still a closed beta. So this is now, today is the 4th of November. So I think it will be updated probably soon. But you can, for example, set up your own account or log in with Google. I will do it with the Google account and then also choose my very account here. They will just need my name, profile, and also email address. I will continue using it, and then just after a short break, we will be able to join the part. Now, what we will do with ComfyUI, just answering the questionnaire. I hope I'm an expert to help others. And what I will use it primarily for? Well, I will not use it for my freelancing work or so, because we will use a local instance. So I think we will use it here. Let's see. I would even say for something other. I would say for the MuseMachine YouTube channel. Oh, I just made a mistake. YouTube channel. So let's go for the next. What's your primary industry? Well, I think in our case, it's education or even consulting. I would simply say that we are consulting. Now, what we are going to do is we will make images, videos as well, I would say. So let's see, and also maybe custom notes and workflows. I would say submit, answering the questionnaire, and then we are heading to the cloud instance of ComfyUI. So this is now the ComfyUI thing that we know. And yeah, we have here also our subscription model with $20 per month. Just click this quickly away. We will not use it now extensively, just for our testing purposes. Now let's go to the image part and then also to the Quen text to image. There we are. This is our workflow, the very standard workflow that we can use also locally. But however, if you go to subscribe to run, this thing will of course pop up because it will cost some, you will get some credits for this. So I will not use it for now because I have my own instance, and it's fine for me. I just wanted to share you the information that if you want to get ComfyUI running without any caveats, you can simply apply for it. We are not associated with ComfyUI, so we're not getting paid for any advertisement or so, just to give you the information. And also here, instead of running now, you can also, well, create all your own workflows. Of course, we have all the templates. And I think as far as I'm concerned, they also said that a lot of models are pre-installed. But yeah, I think these things will change rather quickly and fast. So I think this video will outdate soon. So just check out maybe today or tomorrow already what they have if you want to spend the money to get the things running. Otherwise, you can of course still use ComfyUI on a local computer or in your own cloud instance. For your own cloud instance, we will also give a tutorial soon. There was already the request how to do it. And for the local guys, we have also a video in our playlist. However, for anybody else, I think this is also a very fair solution. So enjoy creating your own workflows in the public beta of ComfyUI. See you next time. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today's video. And I would really like you to subscribe and also like our video and also give us feedback if you have any comments or ideas for improvements. So we try to make videos, ComfyUI videos, and also other content, especially for creatives like marketing agencies, architects, and so on. So if you are from this particular domain and something is missing, something is too technical, or you would like to get more details, just write us and support this uprising community. See you next time.